People are paying for laptop courses just to prepare for their IELTS. But honestly, I think if you can do these few things, you're already ready for the IELTS test. I think this will sound very funny to the people who are already very advanced in laptops or computers, but this is for the beginners. You need to know how to, hold your mouse. So you hold your mouse with these three fingers and then operate with these two fingers, okay? So with your index, you click the left click button, and then with your middle finger, you click the right click button, and you can scroll down and up with your index finger again, okay? And you have to be very fast in scrolling. By left clicking twice, you can select a word, and then you can see the highlight button over here. This is how you highlight, and you have to be very fast in highlighting as well. For highlighting fast, you need to be very fast at reading silently, okay? I'm talking about reading. For listening, you have to have the ability to predict the words that need to be highlighted. So yeah. For practicing your highlighting skill, you actually need to highlight every single word in the passage very fast. The second thing you need to know is how to copy and paste. For example, I want to copy this word, so I'm gonna just select it with two left clicks, and then you press Control. CTRL means control, okay? This is the short form of this. Press the CTRL, and alongside pressing that, you have to press the C button, okay? C means copy. So you can't just leave the CTRL button and then press C. If you do this, then you will be doing nothing, okay? By doing this, you can copy a word. Now that I've copied this word, let's see if I can paste that in this box. So I'm clicking, I'm doing one left click in this box, and then pressing on the CTRL, keep pressing this, and then go to the V, okay? See, I have pasted this in the box. And if you want to paste this again, just again press on the CTRL button, and then press on the V button. See, you have done this twice. And now, if you want to delete the whole thing, there's a shortcut. Press the CTRL, and then press the A. Everything is selected, and then just press the backspace. Boom, everything is, if you write bullshit over here, for example, you're just typing anything. See, I'm just typing, I don't know what. So now that you've messed up, you need to clear everything, and you just press CTRL, and then with that you press the button A, and then everything gets selected. You just backspace it, and it gets deleted. That's it. Now see, another shortcut is say for example, you have typed two words over here, okay? I'm typing love you, okay? Love you. See, I've typed love you over here. Now you just want to delete that you, okay? So just press CTRL again, and please help me pressing the backspace, my dear sister. And then see, the U is now disappeared. And now if you want to delete this one too, just again press the CTRL, and then please press the backspace, my dear sister. Okay, so yeah, you can see everything is deleted. So now let's say there is another situation in which you want to scroll down to the bottom of the page with the scroll wheel in the mouse. This will take a lot of your time. Just press the down arrow key for scrolling to the bottom part of the page, okay? And now if you want to go to the top part of the passage, you can again press the up arrow key. Keep pressing it. Okay, so now say for example, you wanted to select only this word, Virginia. You have selected Virginia and Texas, okay? Now you don't have time. You have to remove the Texas. If you left click and then select Virginia again, it will take too much time. So to remove that Texas from selection, you can do another shortcut over here. I know it's complex, but I think you should learn this. Press the shift key, and then press the left arrow key. It will keep pressing, please. No, oh wait, okay, yeah, I'm instructing my sister over here, so it's a bit problematic. I don't have three hands. You can do more selection with the right arrow key. Again, keep pressing, yeah, see, and then again press left arrow key. Yeah, see, it cancels out, and it again selects everything. So yeah, another thing you need to learn is drag and drop. So say for example, you want to dragging means taking something from one place, and then dropping means just dropping it. I hope you understand. So you just do the same thing with the words. I'm selecting the word painting. I want to drag and drop it, so I am pressing the left click button for grabbing it, and then I am, see, I'm continuously pressing it. I'm just, taking it to wherever I want. I want to put this in this box. Put it in this box. So yeah, see, it is here. And now I want to select another word. Say for example, league. Okay, league goes over here. Another thing you need to learn is the use of the tab button over here. So I will show you how to go from one box to the another very fast. Say for example, you've written something over here as answer. Okay, now you want to move to the second box without touching your mouse. You just click on the tab button, and boom, the cursor is on the second box. Now you can type something over here, and then you can move to the third box with the same technique. Okay, now let's say you want to move to the second box again. Press on the shift, keep pressing the shift, and then click on tab. See, you're on the second box, and this word is automatically selected. So if you want to delete this, you can just press backspace and it's deleted. So you need to learn how to type fast. This is really needed, especially in terms of writing. So you can practice in either monkeytype.com or typingcat. Okay, typingcat.com. So yeah, I'll share the links of these websites in the comments. That was basically everything you need to know for the IELTS test. You don't need to join any course now.